Since we're doing the zero entry shower, we had to grind the floor. We had the saw cuts in the floor. And again, we're gonna be focusing on the shower, but we're gonna show you the floor as well, how to do the zero entry floor. The tile guy came in and he basically prepped the shower for if they were gonna go over it with tile. So they waterproofed it, they meshed all the seams. So we can kind of come in here, James. So you can see all the seams have the fabric mesh and then the waterproof membrane over it. And so this is basically what you want your shower to look like before you install our system. The shower kit's gonna come with everything to coat your shower. And then when you wanna do a zero entry like this, you would just have to order a little bit extra polyspark, a little bit extra flake. That way you know you have enough. What are we doing, man? We're gonna tape? Dude, that's what it's got, All you coating contractors, if you want to set your business apart or add a revenue generating machine to your current business, go to leggariacademy.com. You're going to learn over 10 coating systems and you're going to be doing projects just like this.